Like the house.
Pull it from the bottom. What's in there? Okay, then what you do is you can actually touch that onto that light, and I'll turn this around for you so that you can. Good job, Karen. Good job. Okay, hurry. Okay, pull it out. Whoa, that's it. Oh!
You blew one out.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Birthday pancakes.
Birthday pancake! Woohoo! Okay. Good job. Okay, are
What
you
are you
gonna
doing?
sing to me again?
Happy birthday to you.
Sing it
Happy
nice.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
All right, are you gonna blow it out with me?
Okay,
On the
One.
count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Yay! Thank you, Poopy. Thank you, Papa.
look
Okay.
at the first can.
Light.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to cut the cupcake top on that.
Yeah,
Did you
can
notice?
See it?
You know
What
why?
about the cupcake?
Because the candles are melting in the hot pancakes. So don't eat the first two.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.